Okay, what are we going to do today?
Carve pumpkin!
Carve pumpkins. So, are we going to try to carve a face out of it with using chainsaws?
Yeah, and I cannot do that.
You cannot do that? You can try. We have 3 pumpkins. We're going to give it a try with 3 different chainsaws or different saws, right? We have the little hand chainsaw. We have this, I think it's called a reciprocating saw, but we have this saw. And then we have a regular chainsaw over here that I'm going to use. And we're going to see what they do to the pumpkins. And you know what? If we're not successful, we can do it the old-fashioned way another time, later.
Yeah.
Okay? All right,
Dad,
so
you're going to do it right.
I'll do that pumpkin.
And I'm going to do pumpkin.
Yeah, and brother Ronan's going to do this pumpkin. So do you want to draw a face on the pumpkin so we have something to know where to cut, if that helps? All right, so I have some pens either side.
Now you want
Yeah, so yeah, draw on it. Draw, make the face that you want to cut.
Okay.
I'm going to move this out of the way until we need it. Okay. Ooh, is that the mouth? All right.
Now I'm going to make an eye.
Okay. Looking good so far. So when we are cutting yours, we're going to look to try to make it make that shape. We'll see. All right, so you have that. Okay. Here.
I think I look even better, right?
You think yours is going to look better? Well, we'll see how they look once we actually do it, right? I'll make it. I don't think it'll be able to look like this, but we'll try.
You got it.
Like that. And then teeth.
I think that going to look even better like a pumpkin.
Yeah, I just don't know if I can do it with the chainsaw. That's what I mean. There we go. Okay. All right, so we're going to start.
Do my. I want to do my vote.
You're going to do yours first?
Me.
1 second here. Let's see. All right. You ready? Whoa, look at that cut. It's working.
It's okay.
Now, do you think, wait, before you do it, move back. Do you think maybe making a hole there so that you can like try to do the eye? All right, let's see.
Can I help you?
Let's see. Number 1, let's move this back a little bit. It's hard to cut a pumpkin, right?
Maybe
Okay, that's plenty. Wow. Okay, now maybe cut it across.
me.
Yeah, can we hold it together, Harrison? Can we hold it together?
No, me. Like this.
Yeah, like, well, not that low. Right about there, yeah. Okay, good. Look, now you got that part done. But you know what I forgot that we should probably do first? What do we have to do so that you can use the pumpkins? We have to make a hole on the top, right? And take out the stem and clean out all the seeds and stuff? How about, can brother do that one because it's from the top?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so
But I can do the part.
you can do that part. So let's see. Watch your fingers. Coming out here. As you can see, the lid is loosening there. Okay, take off the lid. Pull it hard. Whoa!
Look!
Take it off. Look at that. We should probably get something to put these seeds in and stuff, huh? Let's go get, I'm going to get something to put the seeds in.
Okay.
And then we can try to finish
It's
cutting.
going to be a pumpkin pie when you open the pumpkin.
Yeah.
And if we can pour it in the oven and it's going to turn into a pumpkin pie.
That's right. Okay, let me get that. All right, so you're going to start scooping the inside out. And we have some very hungry chickens who will really like that. Yeah,
I got them.
good. Whoa, look how thick that is. Look how thick his is. Super thick. All right, here, let's put that bucket in the middle between both of them.
God, I got the idea. Can
Yeah.
I help you?
Look at all those seeds. Sometimes just easier to grab it like that.
Ew!
Yeah, just grab it in.
Ew! You're gooey! I'm not going to do that. I do it with my bill. I'm never going to do that. That's already a bill.
This thing here will help scrape it off too. This is like a scraper to scrape
Okay.
it.
Can I help?
Mm-hmm.
Can I do that?
Yep. I have a towel to clean off your hands when you're done. I'm going to have to try to cut the top of mine now and see what happens with the chainsaw.
You done?
I got a little bit of pumpkin on me.
Oh, it's you. That okay?
There we go, yeah. See, it worked out.
Now you guys take it. Now you guys do something.
Now I need to clean mine out.
Yeah. This is the boom. I'll do the boom. You can do that boom.
Okay. Let's see.
Ready?
Yeah, this is pretty good. Yeah, I think it's pretty good. Here, clean this part off right there. And then see if you can just get off just at the bottom. Use the black thing to scrape off a little bit, and then it'll be ready. Okay.
You okay? And I wipe it on you.
That's why I brought it out.
Yep. And I wanted not to do it with my gut. That's why you brought it out, right?
That's right.
And I wanted to do it with my hand and pull through that. You gotta tell out.
Oh,
I almost fell down.
You almost fell down?
Yeah, but I did jam my balance. But I
You got
did.
your balance?
I moved my toe into you.
So who's going to eat all the pumpkin stuff? So
But not a yeast, right?
right, not the seeds. So the seeds we can clean off and we can bake them and eat them ourselves. They'll be like crunchy, yummy seeds.
But I'm not going to eat them, right?
You're not going to eat them?
I am going to buy one.
Yeah, you should try them. They're very tasty.
If I buy them, I think I'm going to eat them, right?
I hope so, yeah.
I'm going to do them in my hand now.
Okay, yours is getting close. We just want to make sure the rest of it is cleaned out as much as possible before we
Ew.
cut out the rest. Now this, grab that. Pull it. Yeah, that we can give the chickens. You want to go give it to them before we finish doing our
In
stuff?
my spoon!
Don't worry, we'll pick up your spoon. But let's go take that to the chickens. Give them a little treat. We can give them this piece too. This is perfect.
They'll really like it, right?
I think so.
Oh, that's how we give them a pumpkin and we'll them really good eat it. And now they'll have no more pumpkins, but them do now.
There's some. Look, there goes Marshmallow. Oh, Marshmallow likes it. Oh, here comes
You, Kyle.
new Bob.
That new Bob.
Here's some more right here.
They do. Everybody gonna eat that.
They'll all get some of it. It's pretty big. Come on, Strawberry, come get it. Come get it, Strawberry.
An egg?
There is an egg there.
Hey, you did that.
What?
What the heck? I didn't. Why don't you? But
What
I
is the
think
egg
the
doing
milk
down
it.
there? There's an egg there. You better get it before they find it.
Oh yeah, go away, you dingy alien guys.
Wow. An egg right in the middle of the...
Let me out! Oh wait! Let me out!
Okay, hold
I
on.
got the we went.
Okay, let's... All right, guys, enjoy. Whoa. Yeah, all right. We're going to come back later. Make sure you eat all that pumpkin. Okay, stop. Good. Okay, pull it out. Pull it out. These are not meant to be perfect. Don't worry, because they're chainsaws, right? Okay, so go back to this side.
That?
Yeah, and down that... Wait.
Down, John?
Nope, this way.
Okay.
Okay, so do that. Yep, done. Okay, and then right here, I think it's actually maybe loose. Hold on.
Hey, you, I can take that out, Pete.
Yeah. All right, you have an eye. Okay, you have one eye. So now you should put the other eye like over here, right? Slow. Yep, there you go. Slow. Yeah, that's good. All right. Now take it out.
I can't take it out.
Yeah, you can.
Take you.
Then do another one right there. There, that's
A
good.
little more. A little more.
Cool. Okay. All right. Oh, here we'll take that piece out, right?
Sorry.
That's okay. This is like, there we go. This does not need to be perfect, does it?
Yeah.
Because this is done with a chainsaw. All right, I think the last part is your mouth. Let's try putting it on the ground and cutting the mouth down there. All right?
Okay.
You got it? Good. All right. And you want to do this? You want to do it?
No, I want you to do it.
All right, try pulling that out. There you go. Look at that.
No, don't take that out, Harrison. Don't
It's
take that out.
coming off.
Well, now the eyes are gone.
It's all right. If that came out, you know what? That's okay. We can put it back in if you want with a toothpick. Or we can leave it out. And you can have like a big... Here, let's see what it looks like. That's your chainsaw. Your chainsaw pumpkin. All right, let's do brothers.
I could really mess up my dog, Dad. Can I take it out?
Mm-hmm. Oh, there's one eye.
Then one eye got out. One eye got out.
Yeah.
Now I take it out.
You can trim it if you want a little bit.
Ew!
There you go.
Thank you.
Whoa, that's
Yeah.
2 big eyes. All right, let's see how he does with the mouth. All right. Is it ready? Is it done?
Get the bucket down. I put it out.
What do we think? Is this one done?
Yeah.
Whoa! All right, let's see. Not bad.
I need a towel.
Yeah, you guys can wipe off yours.
Let's have 2 toes.
You're drawing some hands and stuff on yours, Harrison?
Pac-Man have 2 toes, 2 toes.
Making it a little better there. I'm going to start cutting mine here. Let's get this over here. All right, I don't know if I'll be able to do exactly what I wanted, but I'll try. Can I pick up the eye? Oh, there it goes. All right, this is the chainsaw one. Okay, Harrison and Ronan, let's put all these up and see what they look like.
Wait, I'm making an iPad. Thank you, Daddy.
All right, so we got 3 chainsaw slash power saw. Oh, look at that. You have faces like on the back and all around it. Then we have the reciprocating saw.
Daddy.
Yeah, no, that's brothers.
Brothers
Yeah,
and Daddy.
and mine using the chainsaw. It's a little dirty, but we'll clean it off. All right, not too bad, huh?
Yeah.
So who's the winner? All right, well, high five. Okay.
Okay.
Well, thank you for doing the power saw versus pumpkin challenge and see how it worked. I think it came out okay, huh? What do you think, or Ronan?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? Which one's your favorite?
Mm.
Yours?
No, I like yours.
Like mine? Mine has pointy eyes, yours has big old circle eyes, and yours has one big cyclops eye.
Nope. No, not straight by.
Oh, it has eyes on the back and
Yeah.
around the side.
They're all around the yard. Bye, Morgan! Have a good day with our videos!
I think you said bye, Morrison, right? Bye, Morrison, and thanks for watching. Anybody else want to get a shout out, feel free to go on our Instagram and leave a comment there, and we will do our best to give one. All right, bye, Ronan. Bye, Ronan, brother. Bye, Harrison.
Hey, why are you doing that to us?
Thanks for your help. Bye.